So I didn't grow up always wanting to be an attorney. I was the 8-year-old. That wasn't me. I actually started off wanting to be an engineer, and then I was going to be a physician's assistant. Had some things happen in my life. My son passed. Had other children. So I was a dispatcher for 911 for a number of years and had another life event that caused me to have to make a major life decision. And in my experience with hospitals and not having access to the care that I've always had when I had private insurance and private care, I thought, wow, is this how people are treated who don't have access to resources? Well, that is very unfortunate. And one young lady at the Social Security office told me, you know, every time you come in here, you're going to get denied unless you have a lawyer. So I went home that day and I told my husband, you know, I'm going to study for the LSAT because that's what I need to do to be a lawyer. Because how many people have this experience, whether it be with the doctor's office because they don't have private insurance, or at the Social Security office because they didn't have an advocate, or even like me, I worked on a job and after 11 years where I thought I had planned my life and knew what I was going to do, didn't know the right questions or the right avenues to take to be able to maintain my job, and I had to then make a career change. And so that's what I did. I guess you can call it stubborn, or you can call it I ran from service that I learned my entire life. My grandfather was a county commissioner, then he was a state representative, my dad's a pastor, and look what I'm doing. I'm here for service. That's why I went to law school. I'm not just in the business of law to make money or to help the underling. I want to be able to service all people, and so I have strived in my career to become a lawyer that can accept, yes, those people who are in my dad's congregation, but also high net worth individuals. So during law school, I had a mentor who said, take a tax class. And so I took a tax law class, and me being the overachiever that I am, I finished law school, took the bar exam, and went back to law school to get a tax law degree. And I'm in private wealth so that I can help those clients structure their estates and their entire life, their financials and their insurance, the entire portfolio of it all, of their life, their businesses, to include their businesses, to come up with a plan. And so I want to be able to help all my clients, whether it's someone who just needs a power of attorney to help her get her Social Security, or that high net worth individual who has a taxable estate and they want to also leave for their generations to come. Assisting you with your legal needs is bar none our firm's top priority.
Allow us to assist you in advocating for your rights.
We never take for granted the trust people place in us to represent them.
And it's always an honor when we get the opportunity to empower others through the law.
I am Shontay Bridges.
And I am Keith Farmer.
And we are Bridges Farmer, Attorneys at Law. Contact us for your case evaluation.